Ravneet Gandok, energy healer, a life coach, and a therapist. Today, I want to discuss about our five senses. And our five senses are the gateway to our soul, and how we will learn to heal our soul through these five senses, which is very easy, very quick, and very fast. So let's start now. So first is our eyes, the first. So what we do is that first we close our eyes and then we take few deep breaths, and then we try to see all the areas of our life which had made us feel inadequate, incomplete, not loved, jealous, or making others jealous. Any area which you feel needs to be healed, is giving you pain right now. Try to see that, complete that scene, and let it go. Exhale it with your breath. See it completely. We don't put a stop on anything. Anything which is coming to us is need to be completed. So we don't put a stop on it. We complete it by letting it go. First we see that properly and then we let it go. Now what we do is, after letting it go, we just repeat few lines that was then and this is now, and I am an infinite human being. I let go all the worries and stress. So this is one way where we heal our past. Past could be even past life, or past could be last minute also. So anything which you want to heal, you can heal. So next we move on to our ears. So again, what we do is we again close our eyes. We touch our ears so that we are giving a message to our ears through our hands that yes, we are there to support you, to help you, right? And we listen to each and every dialogue, every comment which made us feel hurt, which harmed us directly, indirectly, intentionally or unintentionally. So with this listening, we heal ourselves by saying that it was not meant for me, and even if it was meant for me, I accept and I thank God for this. So with this trick, this method, we heal our soul. Whatever we have listened, whatever we have gone through, we heal through our eyes and ears with this method. And play a nice music in the background, because our ears, they want to listen to something pleasant and something warm which gives us relaxation and makes us feel confident. So something which gives you energy, power, just play that music. Third is our breath from our nose. So breath is the most powerful way of healing our soul. So how we do is, we close our eyes again. Why we close our eyes on every sense? Because when we close our eyes, our concentration doesn't go anywhere else. So our concentration is in ourselves only. So that is the reason of closing our eyes. So now we close our eyes, take few deep breaths. Take very few deep breaths and very slow breaths. They are very slow breaths so that we take time to see what is there inside our heart. And now just keep your hand on your heart and start saying, I am safe. With every breath we say, I am safe. I am safe. I am thankful. I am safe. I am thankful. So with this breath technique, with using I am safe and I am grateful, I am thankful, we are also giving gratitude to whatever has happened till now in our life. Fourth is our tongue. So what we do with our tongue is, the best thing which we can do with our tongue is to keep it mute. The whole day we are talking so many things which are not required, and there are things which are required also, but there is no end to it, there is no stop to it. We can't just keep shut, staying in families and houses. We cannot just keep ourselves mute. So what we do here is, we take out 5 minutes. We'll begin with 5 minutes, and it's upon you how can you increase the time. Begin with 5 minutes, whether while taking baths or while while cooking. Just keep yourself mute. Don't respond to anything. If someone is talking to you, let that person speak. Slowly and gradually they will also understand it is for the betterment of everyone around. So for tongue, we keep ourselves mute. And another very easy tip is to keep a cardamom in your mouth. So when you keep a cardamom in your mouth, you are not speaking much, or you can even keep mouth freshener, or you can keep a dark chocolate, you can keep anything, and just be busy taking the taste of that the food item, whatever you feel like. Because with cardamom, it has a very strong fragrance, so that also heals our smelling sense. So both the things work together. So cardamom would really help in healing both the senses, and also it is very easy to do. So try to keep a cardamom and try to keep yourself mute for some time. It will really work in all the areas. Now we'll switch on to fifth, the easiest and the best one, that is skin. So what we can do is, fifth is a touch. So for your children, I would say it's very important to give 12 touches to your children in a day. 12 touches to your children. It could be a hug, it could be just patting their back, just keeping a hand on their head, anywhere you feel like. It is very important to children, it is very important to touch them 12 times. Rest, you want to heal yourself, just go for a spa, a body massage, keep cucumbers on your eyes, do whatever soothes you, head massage, anything you feel. It's the best and the easiest way to heal your senses. Skin sense is, touch sense is, yes, you're right, spa. So let's go ahead. And how do we heal all the senses together? Play a nice music, lie down straight like a scale, keep your eyes closed, spray nice any fragrance around, and any lemongrass, any essential oil you feel like, just put that, and then just lie down straight, keep your eyes closed with a nice music. And then you can also keep a cardamom in your mouth, and just see all the areas where you want to get healed, where you feel that this area needs to be healed now. And please, it's very healthy, it's very good. Also keep a cucumber on your eyes, or potatoes, or anything you want to feel like you want to keep on your eyes which soothes you. Please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you will try and just outcome with all the happiness. Thank you so much.